Good morning guys, how are you? Today is May 9th, 2020. I'm telling you, math. May 9th, 2009. Snow in May 9th, 2020. Yes, and here now you haven't seen the wet snow, tiny bit, this today, and that snow on the ground in May. Yes, and that snow falling down. Yes, and nobody seen the car something off in May. Yes, and I didn't see in the car since snow. Look at those. May 9th. Yes, that is crazy and cold. Yes, and everyone traveling in rain this time before. Yes, and this is first time travel in May in wet, heavy snow. This is anyone do show that snow in May and plow too? Yeah, you want to say something, Mom?
Snow in May 9. Go away. Oh, wonder, man. I don't know. I didn't look up.
What's that?
I went to bed at 4 o'clock now.
Snow in May. Yes, and everyone making snowmen in May or snow angels because I'm in my snowman right now. Here a couple of weeks back, up until maybe 3 weeks on Sunday. Very nice weather. Nice temperatures. And decent weather. And rain a few times, cold. Yesterday cool. Now today snow. Here the other day, I'm walking over there. I just saw somebody didn't cut the grass. Afternoon. today, snow in May 9th. Yes, and yesterday, very nice day, sun, blue skies, cloudy, tiny bit. Here, finally, spring and summertime, most days. Today is May 9th, 2020. We are back in the winter time. Looking like December or January. And also, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Yes, I'm at Lincoln Pond. Yeah, look at this, guys. Snow. Heavy wet snow. Yeah, in May 9th, 2020. Yes, and as for it. Yes, I'm at the Cameron train station. Christmas songs on Christmas train station now. Not a snow, not a snow, not a snow in May. And we wish Merry Christmas, we wish Merry Merry Christmas, we wish Merry Christmas, we wish Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. No, not today. No Christmas time yet. Yes, I'm on the Coastal Route 4. Yes, and snowplow didn't went by. Yeah, possibly I might beat up a snowplow in after. Snow, more snow. Yes, I'm thinking winter not done yet. Yes, and before this snow in the April, sometimes in May, nope. For some seem snow in May. Nice to see snow in May, one season. Yes, we are in spring, not winter time. Yes, and everyone get up this morning. Hey, snow on the ground, snowing. Oh, seriously, I hate snow. Now, everybody plowing, someone back on driveway. Yeah, time right now, singing snow myself, not me. I am so happy seeing snow in May 9th, 2020, I meant. Claus fight tonight? Don't think so. On half of them Santa Claus 2000. Santa Claus down Christmas tree tonight? Don't think so. Today's May 9th. Well, I'm down second week now. Someone fought that week and has a ice aches here. No more season. We are in spring. Yes, we can see Christmas Santa Claus fight and seeing Santa Claus. No, what are you talking about, Galen? This is May 9th. Yes, I have some old videos. Nice, you got a good idea. Yes, and I put some videos of snow, vlog, today of snow. Yes, my coat is red, my t-shirt a little bit red, my calluses is red. That's all I have. Boots on in May. Yeah, so it is. I think that snow coming back, and part of my battery going to be able to. Yeah, part of my Anyone's found snow in a bag? That's crazy. This is the last time then putting the parents on and shoveling driveways or roads. For this May 19th, no, May 9th, 2020. It's a cold now, feeling running time. But if you like this video, thumbs up, Yeah, probably see you tomorrow, maybe tomorrow is Mother's Day. And be safe. Goodbye.